The market is continuing to sell here on Wednesday. I'm here with Michael Goley from Night Trading. So when we look at the stories we're getting, obviously it's once again Europe and once again Greece. This isn't a news story, but today it seems like everybody's got a little bit of worry and they're taking their cash and leaving. Well,
it all started late afternoon when Greece came out and said that they weren't eliminating the idea of leaving the euro, but that they weren't taking it off the table either.
We've had so much of this flip-flop. The Germans, one minute they say we're not going to support them, and then the next minute they say they don't want them to leave. Is this flip-flopping also making people really worried?
Yeah, it probably is. It probably is. But on the other hand, Germany has to think that they're in this for the long haul. They have quite a bit invested as it is, so they don't want to see them leave by any means.
With the selling we're seeing, are we seeing any increase in the volume?
No, basically it's been what it has been for the past week, month. It's pretty anemic, but yeah, it's certainly not a signal that anything spectacular is going on.
We certainly haven't had any good headlines on our side. We're continuing to get bad headlines out of JP Morgan. Facebook has not helped us at all. Do you think if that would have been a successful IPO that the market might have been in a better mood?
Sure, sentiment would have been much better than where it is. To see it be successful. Take away the trading issues that occurred that day. Now it turns out that people are looking into Morgan Stanley, how they rated it while they were the underwriter. That's another issue that's ongoing. But it would have been nice to see things go much better than it has.
Did you guys struggle with that?
Me meaning how?
Night trading. Did you have any issues with the trading?
Well, I know there were some issues in that our traders weren't getting reports back or trade confirmations back. I know it was an issue. To what extent, I'm not quite sure.
All right. So looking ahead, is there a number that you guys are kind of got your line in the sand that you're watching closely?
I'm not. No, I'm optimistic. I'm probably more a buyer than I am a seller at this point, considering how much we've moved from last October. We had a 6-month run of where we had a 20% move. I think there's something to that, something to be said for that, and I'm optimistic going forward.
Okay, well, usually they say the guys that are making the money are the ones that are getting in when everyone else is leaving. I hope that's right for you. That's Michael Goley from Night.
This market is
stock pickers market.
Stocks have rallied this year.
We're coming into a Monday where we're getting